To enjoy fresh guava. Pick out a fruit that's soft to the touch, free of blemishes, and yellowish-green in color. The skin of a ripe guava might have hints of pink. It should also have a sweet, musky smell. Before eating the guava, rinse the skin under cold water and pat it dry with a paper towel. Put the guava on a cutting board and slice it in half with a sharp knife. Then cut the halves into thinner slices. Enjoy the guava slices plain or dip them in a sweet or savory sauce. You can eat the whole thing, rind, seeds, and all. If you don't eat all of the guava at once, put the rest in an airtight container and refrigerate it, up to 4 days. You can also store it in the freezer for up to 8 months. Other ways to enjoy guava include incorporating it into a barbecue sauce, putting guava chunks in Jell-O, or adding a splash of guava juice to your favorite cocktail.